Hello students, in this video I will explain Bohr's model of the atom. So according to Bohr's model of the atom, in an atom electrons revolve rapidly around the nucleus in the fixed circular path called energy level, cell or orbit. The energy level or cell are represented by K, L, M, N. Next, there is a limit to the number of electrons in which each energy level can hold. For example, the first energy level, which is K cell, can hold maximum 2 electrons. Second energy level or L cell can hold maximum 8 electrons. Third energy level or M cell can hold maximum 18 electrons, and fourth energy level or N cell can hold maximum 32 electrons. Next, each energy level or cell is associated with fixed amount of energy, that is, the cell nearest to the nucleus having minimum energy and the cell farthest from the nucleus having maximum energy. Next, there is no change in the energy of the electron as long as they keep revolving in the same energy level, and that's why atoms remain stable. Now next is distribution of electrons in particular cells. So the maximum number of electrons which can be accommodated in any energy level or cell of the atom is given by 2n square, where n is equal to number of energy level or cell from the nucleus. So first, for first energy level or K cell, where n is equal to 1, so the maximum number of electron in first energy level is equal to 2n square. So 2 into 1 K square is equal to 2, means total number of electrons in K cell is 2 electrons. Now for second energy level or L cell, where n is equal to 2, so the maximum number of electron in second energy level is equal to 2n square, where n is equal to 2, so 2 into 2 K square is equal to 8 electrons. So total 8 electrons present in L cell. Now in M cell, n is equal to 3, so 2n square means 2 into 3 K square is equal to 2 into 9 is equal to 18 electrons, means total 18 electrons present in M cell. Now next N cell, where n is equal to 4. So 2n square means 2 into 4 K square, so 2 into 16 is equal to 32 electrons, means in N cell the total number of electron is 32. Now next is Niels Bohr explained the stability of the atom. So Niels Bohr gave a new arrangement of the electrons of the atom. According to Niels Bohr, the electrons could revolve around the nucleus in only certain orbit or certain energy level or cell, and each orbit or cell having different radius from the nucleus. Next, when an electron is revolving in a particular orbit or particular energy level around the nucleus, the electrons does not radiate energy or lose energy.